These are aimsir caite past tense verbs. You need to know this order. Bris me, I broke. Bris tu, you broke. Bris she, he broke. Bris she broke. Bris more, or bris mid, we broke. Bris shiv, ye broke. Bris sheed, they broke. If you have a vowel, a verb that starts with a vowel, you put D in front. So eisht becomes deisht, ol becomes dol, inish becomes dinish. If the verb starts with an F, you add a D and a H. So eoch becomes deoch, and fog becomes dog. You need to know the structure of an Irish sentence. It's nearly always the same with the verb, who, what they did, where, when, and why. If the answer is no, you put near in front, as in near frishme. These words are useful for your sentences as well. Godion, sassan, le, eron, egon, fuin, osan, den, horon, tridon, do. Mo as in molauer, my book. Do. A for his and a for her. Or voor, a. You'll know it's her because the next word usually takes a H, and a, the next word for there, would take an aru. Mar, kun, nura. For these past tense verbs, aimsir caite, do the action first and then say the verb. So for example, pretend to break a plate, and you can say vrish me plata. Press a button and say vruig me knappe. Throw something and you say chap me, chan. Listen to something like the radio, you say deisht me leis an radio. If you're asking the question though, it's our eish to le. Poured gort me. Vul me le. Chail, chas, quer, ruin, dog. But when asking the question, og to, the answer is no, near og me. If you're talking about a group of people, we lost Kylamar, we turned Cosamar, we put Queramar, we close Gunamar. On, don, near on. Each to deach me near each me Dli or dleich me quid, lig or lee, fiuch. Fiuchamar for we picked. Notice with deach we put this two-letter word with it. Inish to do, dinish me do, near inish. Lan, flesk, fleskamar for we burst. Glon, lame, lame a war, more we jumped. Frab. When using inish, we use this two-letter word do. Re, hool, stroke, screeve, frish, hit. For we, rihamar, hoolamar, screevamar, frishamar, hitamar. Hyas, hig, hog, head, stup, las, vuok. For we, stood hyasamar, higamar, hogamar, stuppermar. You should be able to take any verb and get this order correct. So for example, if I take ka, I should be able to say ka me, ka tu, ka she, ka she, ka hamar, or ka wid, ka shiv, ka sheed, knowing what they mean. I get that structure from here. Me, tu, she, she, amar, or mwid, shiv, sheed. Remember, you must get out of your seats, do the action, say the verb, make it into a sentence if you can.